This is tutorial number 126, and it covers the detail view within Catia V5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 125, which is located on the DVD. Now what we're going to cover is the detail view. So if you go to Insert, Views, Details, you're able to choose any of these types of detailed view. Now with these detail views, what you would be using it for is, say everything in our sketch right now or our drawing is all one-to-one, which it is, and say that you need to bring to the forefront this little area here. Instead of enlarging the entire sketch, because then it's not going to fit, you're able to just zoom in, make a circle around it, and it's going to take that view and expand it. So to show you what I mean, let's click the detail view, go to this component here, and let's just draw a circle. Just try to get all of this enclosed. And now we're able to bring that scale view over to here. Now, if you see, everything that was in a circle is now twice as big on the side here. So we're able to zoom in on a certain section, expand it, and then we're able to dimension and make whatever callouts are necessary to show really what's going on with that bit. So this is a big tool, and I use it a lot because when we're zooming in on critical spots or we need to bring certain details to the forefront rather than having a drawing sheet that's way too big, what we're able to do is just zoom in on that one part, blow it up, do all the dimensioning on it. So this is going to save you space on your drawing sheet, and it's also going to save you time as you're able to just zoom in, click on it, open it up, and you have pretty much another drawing view to go at. So this concludes our tutorial on the detail view within Catia V5.